Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install Windows Server 2025 on VirtualBox step by step. Whether you're setting it up for learning, testing, or building your own lab, this guide will help you get it running smoothly from start to finish. So grab your coffee, open up VirtualBox, and let's get started. Click New in VirtualBox. After clicking New, you'll see the section called Virtual Machine Name and Operating System. In the VM name text box, type your virtual machine name, for example, WinSRV 2025. On the VM folder drop-down, you can keep the default location, or click the folder icon to browse and select a custom path. On the ISO image drop-down, click to expand it, then, click Other, to browse your computer, locate your Windows Server 2025 ISO file, select it, and click Open. On the OS Edition drop-down, click to expand it. From the list, select Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation, Desktop Experience. Then, uncheck the box Proceed with Unattended Installation. Now, expand the Specify Virtual Hardware section. Set the base memory and number of CPUs. Don't forget to check the Use UEFI box. Then, expand the Specify Virtual Hard Disk section. Set the disk size for your virtual machine. I recommend at least 50 GB to give Windows Server 2025 enough space for installation and updates. Then, click Finish. Before starting the virtual machine, click Settings. In the Settings window, go to the General menu, then select the Identify tab. Here, you'll see the OS version drop-down. Change it from Windows Server 2022, 64-bit, to Windows 11, 64-bit. Then, go to the System menu and click the Motherboard tab, look for the chipset drop-down and change it from PAX3 to ICH9. Now, go to the Display menu and select the Screen tab, check the 3D acceleration box, then, set the video memory slider to the maximum value. Next, go to the Storage menu. Select your virtual disk under the storage tree, then, check the box labeled Solid State Drive. Then, click OK to save your changes. Now, it's time to start the virtual machine. Click Start at the top of VirtualBox. When the virtual machine starts, you'll see the message, press any key to boot from CD or DVD, go ahead and press any key on your keyboard. Once the installer starts, you'll see the language settings screen. Choose your language to install, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method. For most users, the default options are fine. After selecting your preferences, click Next to continue. Next, you'll see a warning about data deletion. Check the box that says, I agree, everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. This confirms that you understand the installation will overwrite the virtual disk. Once checked, you can proceed with the installation. Now, you'll see a list of available Windows Server 2025 editions. Select Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation, Desktop Experience. This version includes the full desktop interface, which makes it easier to manage and use. After selecting it, click Next to continue. Next, you'll see the applicable notices and license terms screen. Simply click Accept to agree to the terms. Now, you'll see the screen to select where to install Windows Server 2025. Choose the virtual hard disk you created earlier, usually listed as Drive 0 unallocated space. If needed, you can click Create Partition to create a partition. Once selected, click Next to start the installation on that drive. Finally, you'll see the Ready to Install screen. Then, click Install to begin installing Windows Server 2025 on your virtual machine. The installation will take some time, so be patient while it completes. Now, you need to type a password for the built-in administrator account. This is the account you'll use to sign in to your Windows Server 2025. The password must contain at least 8 characters, both uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number, at least one special character, like @ hashtag, $. After entering and confirming the password, click Finish. You'll now see the Send Diagnostic Data to Microsoft screen. This option lets Microsoft collect data to help improve Windows. To proceed, simply click Accept. After that, Windows Server 2025 will finish setting up and take you to the desktop. Once Windows Server 2025 is running, you might notice the screen doesn't fully fit the VM window. To fix this, go to the Devices menu at the top of VirtualBox and click Insert Guest Edition CD image. Inside the VM, open File Explorer, navigate to the virtual CD drive, and run VBox Windows Editions.exe. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Then restart your virtual machine. If the screen still doesn't fit after restarting, go to the View menu in VirtualBox. First, toggle off Auto Resize Guest Display, then immediately toggle it back on. This usually forces the VM to correctly resize the display to fit your window. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows Server 2025 on VirtualBox and adjusted the display to fit your screen. I hope this guide helped make the process easy and clear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.